Alright, today I'm scrapping this nice little desk fan I found. It was in the trash at the insurance company I cleaned. It has an AC adapter with it, but this thing also runs off of 8 D batteries. Can you believe that? That's a lot of battery. I already plugged it in, I already tried it, it don't work. Trust me, if this thing worked, I'd have it plugged in, blowing right on me right now. All I really want out of this is the copper bearing motor. That's easy enough to get out with a hammer. Just like that, plastic and all. Scrapyard will buy it just like that. This is pretty much all garbage. There's a tiny little piece of wire in there. I'll get the little piece of wire out. A couple little pieces of tin too. Good enough. That's the plastic. Now the transformer. These are brass. Those are brass. And these usually just pop apart. Some plastic. Transformer, these are brass. I don't cut them, I pry them out. You get more of it if you pry it out. There. A nice little piece of circuit board. Now this little circuit board does have a little CBM on it. That CBM is almost impossible to get the copper out of. So just leave it right on the circuit board. Scrapyard will buy it just like that. CBM is like 17 cents a pound. The circuit board's about 50 cents a pound. Leave it on there, it'll make the board heavier. Scrapyard will buy it like that, trust me. So that wasn't that bad. A couple minutes of worth of work. I got some wire, some tin, nice little piece of circuit board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.